Thank you, thank you. I mean, I grew up on Hong Kong cinema, so that kind of stuff. And then you know
Yes.
my work in John Wick, so I wanted to
Yes.
my first movie. I wanted to kind of represent like more my personality, right? Even though I did come up under Dave Leitch and Stad Zahelski in that John Wick universe, right? But I also wanted to do something that was a little bit more my personality and a little bit more lighthearted. So this movie came up. I was like, I'm gonna, I could do something with this, make it fun. I mean, there's always a transition. Like when you're doing something new,
Yes.
it's like growing pains. There's like learning. There's a learning curve. So, of course I enjoyed the experience. It's a lot different from when you're second unit director. Second unit director is a different machine than main unit. Main unit's like, it's like if I'm doing second unit action, main unit is 10 times that amount, right? And I was like telling other people this. It's like when you're second unit director, you're coming into a world that's already given to you, like all the rules and the limitations are given to you, so you function within a box. But when you become a main unit director, you're creating that world in that box, right? And you got to make sure whoever is working for you or you're collaborating with uh, continues those rules of that universe. I mean, I love Key. I don't even know like what you guys see on like his interviews. That's the guy. And I said I grew up being a big fan of his, right? So I said I watched Indiana Jones and Temple of Doom over and over and over when I was a kid. I memorized like almost every line. It's because of him. I watched it. I go, wow, I can relate to him in a weird, in a way, right? So he's like, oh, someone kind of looks like me. It's like, oh, maybe from the same background, like. So I was a big fan of his already from like from Indiana Jones to Goonies, and his other his other movies, you know.
And about Greece, there's also Sean Austin. That the idea of this kind of reunion
Uh huh.
after 40 years.
Yeah. I mean, now for me that was fun because I was a big fan. So
Yes.
we're just trying to give the audience a treat by uh, by getting Sean, in the movie, and Key talked to him
Yes.
and he was able to. I thought that was a super huge highlight for me to see those two together. And then you can watch if you watch that scene, you can see their friendship over these years. Like you can see the camaraderie there, and that's what I was trying to get out. Like that authentic feeling of like genuine love for each other. It comes out on screen, and I think when you see
Yes,
them in
there.
person, yeah, and that's important. I think that's an important aspect. I think I want people to feel, you know, that
They're
genuine love.
like brothers.
Yeah,
It's something that you can feel
yeah, you can
while
feel
like
it.
watching the movie.
Yes. No, I mean, again, it's like how you want people to perceive you. I think it's like how you see yourself. So yeah, the words kind of mean something like, do you want people to see you as let's say someone serious, or do you want someone to see you as something that's approachable? It's just like how you want different people to perceive you, and that's like the theme of the movie. It's like you want him. He's hiding in plain sight, and you want him to love himself enough so he can kind of love other people, like or love deal with. If he loves himself enough, he knows how to deal with his the rest of his life, right?
Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you for your time.
All right, thank you so much.